Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent taking screenshots in Telegram channel. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check if my Telegram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Now one of the ways to prevent taking screenshots is passcode locking, and Telegram allows users to set a passcode lock to secure their chat. When the passcode lock is enabled, users cannot take screenshots within the app, and this feature adds an extra layer of security by preventing unauthorized access to chat content. So if you want to see how it's done, you're gonna see it right here, on your iPhone basically. And what you're gonna do here, restrict saving content, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. Right, go back to your screen and go ahead to any channel that you have on your Telegram. Basically, click on it, click on the title of that group, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the channel settings and just go ahead to the channel type, make it private. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just saving and copying content. Just toggle this one on, restrict saving content, and subscribers won't be able to copy, save, or forward content from this channel, and hit done. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.